bounced, I was like, oh no, it's gonna hit him. Sure enough, got him right in the bean. Hey, no kicking. This isn't kickball.
Hey, you two be good.
Where is she gonna ride?
In my lap. Joe. Here, Joe. Oh, yeah, they found the poop. Maybe you stepped in it.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby Bella.
Look at her face, though. Call her.
Joe.
Shane, don't.
Shane. These pants are falling off.
Oh. Shane. Kira's like, play with me, Ella. Shh, enough.
Oh! I just missed him.
Kira, Joe, enough barking.
Hey, no barking, babe. Hey!
It's okay, I guess. She's mad at Ella for something. You pooped and they stepped in it.
And then I rolled in it on purpose. You jerk. Hey. Shit. See what he's doing? He's breaking a stick like this. Here's a baseball bat. Here's the baseball.
There she goes, Ryan. Oh, did you see her? She went to stop and she just slid in the mud right in there.
I'm going to toss her right in the lake.
Here, Joe. Come on, Joe. Come on now.
Oh! Missed him by like an inch. Are you eating all the pool?
Shane. Shane. Enough. That's gross. Kira, Joe.
She looks kind of neat with that color.
I know, right? That's why I said look at her face.
Here, Joe.
Kira. Annabelle. Kira, Joe.
Because it's like perfect line. You know what I mean?
Where she got in the water.
Yeah, like it's only her belly.
And her one eye. Just the one eye.
Yep. It's like a perfect line. It's on the insides of her legs. What is that, Joe?
What is it, Ella? Find it, Ella. What is it? What is it, Ella? What is it, Ella? Get it. No? What is it, Ella? What is it, Ella? What is it, Ella? Ella Bell, look out there. No? There they go. Get him, Ella.
I was gonna throw it to Shane, but he fell off. I was like, oh.
Kira Joe, come on. Hey,
Here, Joe.
she's coming. What was that, Al? There she goes.
He's biting at flies.
Are they getting you?
Hey, Bella.
Come on, Joe.
Hey, baby Bella. Good throw.
Ella. Ella. What are those, Al? Kira.
Hey, pick it up, put it in the truck.
Kira Joe. Hey.
Kira,
I think she's back behind that truck.
get over now.
Yep.
Little butt.
Oh, she's gonna get it. Ella's gonna get it.
Put it in the truck if you're done.
Oh, did it hit you?
Got my hand.
Oh.
If you had a belt, you would be a much better baseball player. Nice throw.
Technically, he's a tennis ball player, so does this count as tennis?
But it's the same size as a baseball. Same weight. Same weight as a youth baseball. He'll lose his pants.
The ball or the pants, Shane? Some things just gotta be sacrificed.
Pants can be rescued.
If we sit down, it's time out.
All right. That one might not make it to you.
How about me and Brayden on a team, and you and my mom are on a team?
Well, it might as well be you and Brayden against me.
Okay.
Your mom said to go work that.
Uh-oh, car.